Hi, this is Ms. Cooper with a third tutorial on how to do an isometric drawing. Today we're going to be covering stairs and how those work when we add them to an isometric grid. If you haven't watched my first two videos, those might be helpful. So I'm going to start by checking, first of all, to make sure that my paper is going the right direction. So I already have my vertical line going up and down, which is great because if you don't remember, we need lines that go vertically and off to the other two sides to make an isometric drawing. So I keep calling these a snowflake because they make that snowflake shape. So let's say you're doing a staircase. It has a vertical line and it regularly goes on horizontals and then verticals again. To translate this into an isometric drawing, we need to start with our vertical line. That's how I always like to start. I'm going to draw it a couple boxes tall, and I can always change the height later if I need to. So now our next step is to make the stairs. Now these horizontal lines, we can't do horizontal lines. They're not part of our isometric snowflake. What we do is we will take them into space by going horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, in a way that's going to make more sense with our lines. So I'm going to do a horizontal along the bottom here and keep adding my staircase, vertical, horizontal lines until I reach the bottom. So I will connect all my dots there. Now I have the side of my staircase. So at this point, if we already have all of our lines that complete the vertical and this particular line on the snowflake, that means we need to draw this last line that goes this way. So let's push our staircase back into space. I'm going to make mine 3 triangles wide. This means that after I complete the parallel line, right, because if we do a vertical line, we're going to have some trouble. That doesn't make sense here. We need to do a line that matches the rest of our staircase and connect the dots. Now let's do another matching line. This one's vertical. So now we're going to go back into space. This one's what we would normally call a horizontal line. We're going to go back into space and complete that line. Now we have a vertical. So we will go vertical and connect. Horizontal, connect. Vertical, connect. And we will keep doing this all the way down the staircase, making sure that our lines are matching up. Always making sure that we match a vertical with a vertical and a horizontal with a horizontal. And now we have reached the bottom of our staircase. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.